I can't slap the bag like I used to. Oh hey, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna recreate the Kim Kardashian Vogue makeup tutorial, and I thought, why not have fun with it? Because let's be honest, I look nothing like Kim K. I'm not as cool as her. So here we go. We're just gonna jump right in. Ooh, these are her beauty secrets.
It's Kim.
Hey guys, it's Pig Ann here. I'm not in my bathroom. I'm in the corner of my bedroom, which is like super fancy. Got the boxed wine. It's basically like the fanciest, cleanest bedroom ever. Alright, sorry, I had to do that serious intro just like her. I feel like mine might be a little bit better, obviously. Okay.
Hey guys, it's Kim, and we are here in my bathroom, and we are gonna do my makeup routine.
Oh shit!
Do a holiday look for you guys.
I already messed up. I didn't even start the makeup and I messed up. She's like really dressed, and I'm in my robe because it's like, why not? I love my robe. It's Sunday. It's Monday fun day. What?
For the day,
She didn't even tell me what kind of moisturizer. Why are you trying to play me, Kim? I'm gonna use some Babor from that advent calendar.
psoriasis on my face.
Bitch, I got psoriasis too. Oh my god. Soul sisters. Shit stresses me out too.
Really what I use.
Oh, no. I feel you.
This is MAC foundation.
Lumiere. Sorry, I don't have that shit. So I don't know what happened. So I'm just gonna take the Real Techniques guy, and I'm gonna take some Givenchy, because I feel like that's similar to Limmer. First of all, can we just talk about, oh god, what is you doing, girl? Hold on, I gotta, oof, she's so fast. Alright, first of all, she's got really great skin, and I want to know, what are you doing to hide your psoriasis on your face? Because it looks like I got fucking frosted flakes on my eyelids, and I don't see that on your face, Kim. Are you lying to me right now? So she just goes in with a little Anastasia brow pen, like goes in, but she didn't really like show what she did. So I'm just gonna like, oh god, I'm just gonna thicken mine up like her, you know? I'm 1 minute in and already feeling pretty shitty about myself. Thanks, Kim, with your natural beauty, you bitch. All right, go ahead.
Got everything. I use my concealer, so we're gonna do concealed face brighten.
Wait. So before she sets everything, she uses her concealer, which I don't have. I'm so good at this. Let's just pretend this is KKW stuff. Okay, just go with it. Pretend. Okay, hold on. She puts it on thick. Okay, here we go. So she goes down here. Thick. Right. Going up. Oof. Okay. Grab a little more. Gotta hydrate. Hold on. Oh god, I'm looking more like Kim K circa 2006.
Really warm up my face, and I think a big step in that is concealing.
Yeah.
I'm doing my makeup just in the mirror or on the go. I take a sponge.
Got you.
I use this Toshin, and then I kind of take the concealer.
I'm gonna take that too, except for I'm gonna use the pore version. I'm gonna take a little Wander Beauty, you know, half the price, hey? Pores Book. And then you're gonna do what?
Put it up on my eye too.
Huh.
Okay, when you are on
Oof. Okay, we're gonna.
oh
my god, I do that too.
I'm gonna do my makeup. I
do that
can't see
shit too,
anything.
girl.
I want to see my skin color, my lip come through until the end. Like, I need a nude palette. This is my baking powder, conceal, bake brighten.
Ooh. She takes her little boop. I'm gonna take Dermablend Pro because that's like what's most gentle on my skin. Let's take a hit. This second glass of wine is gonna hit me and be like, oh, and like for real cross-eyed.
I swear I could just go out like that.
Yeah, girl.
After I bake,
hold on, wait. Hold on. So she loves baking. Maybe I need to bake better. Maybe I need to bake more. Ooh, my skin looks so. Ooh. I don't look like her yet. I look like a 1980s wrestler. Oh, we're cream contouring once again. I don't have it, so I'm gonna take my Rihanna. I mean, that's basically Kim, right? Like, they're like pretty similar. Ooh. Hold on. Talk to me, girl. Where are we at?
Done baking. I still have to bake.
Ooh. Wait, we're not done baking yet? What the?
You know
How much baking am I doing?
Just create lip contour.
Bitch, I do that too, yes. Wait, come on.
Too high yet?
I don't do that yet. I think I should have shaved my mustache before I put it on the top, but I feel good about it. Oh my god, you just read my mind. Okay, wait, what?
Yeah, I always do the darker color on my forehead because I love a tiny little forehead.
She told me to.
I loved my mom's makeup. She always had a red lip.
Yeah, she
red
always
nails
looks
and
fucking
a red
good.
lip. Always. So I just loved that about her.
Your mom always looks good. Damn, shit looking snatched as fuck. Snatched-ish.
Just kind of like pat it. So then I go back to the translucent powder to powder my whole face. This is like my problem area. If I don't
What are you
have that
powdering
powder,
it with?
Oh my god.
She just like pats that shit so gently.
So it doesn't look
They
wet.
cut out that part where she baked. Culture bitch. She talks so nice. Talks so gentle. Oh my god. My kids too. My kids are such assholes. They do that all the time. We're so alike, except for I'm like the poor version. Using her palette that I don't have, so I'm gonna have to find something a little similar to it. So the color for her smoky start off that I found is Catterday by Winky Lux Cashmere Kitten. Half the price of her palette. Go me. I'm like a bitch on a budget.
They're so amazing, but I'm gonna do it for you guys.
So I'm gonna start with it in there. I feel like it looks very nice on her, and then it's like, hey Ange, what happened? Did your husband punch you in the eye this weekend? And I'm like, yeah, no biggie, looks great. Oh my god, I felt like I wore the perfect shirt today. It says they whine, I whine. You get it? Oh yeah.
Okay, there we go.
It was a lot, but I'm not judging you, because look what's gonna happen to me.
Way too bright. Always smoke it with contour.
Yeah, I wanna smoke the shit out of it.
So what I'm gonna do next is I really like this Stila Bronze Bell.
Ooh, I have that. The eyes. Doot. Doot. Boop, boop, boop.
I'm just gonna kind of.
I have that same color. The finger on top.
And just kind of rub, because this color is like a really pretty goldish greenish almost. And then with the rose gold underneath.
Yeah.
Really our Lancome Hypnose Doll
Me
Lash
too. I love that shit. I'm here for it. It's a vibe. I'm not gonna clean up, so I'm just gonna keep layering and mixing.
It'll just start to flake off.
What will?
So don't trip. Don't trip.
No, bitch, I'm tripping. I'm a little worried. So I'm gonna use Covert Affair by Buxom, and she just lines the shit out of her lips. So we're doing it. I look like the bitch from Cry Baby.
Last and final step is highlighter. And
She's like a bigger one.
Kylie palette. The Kylie.
Yo, she's almost uses a flat brush too, but I'm into it.
You're doing amazing, sweetie.
Yeah. We're gonna pretend this is the Kylie palette.
Kind of mix a little bit. I love
It's like the Bougie Kylie palette. This is my final Kim K holiday inspired look. Just kidding. I feel a little crazy. I definitely feel out of character for me. I feel like this is not something I would typically, I feel like this is something I wouldn't typically do, but I feel like it was fun to like try and play around and just be silly. I think she's absolutely beautiful. I have nothing bad to say about Kim. Like, I joke around calling her a bitch and whore, like fucking around, but I feel like that's a term of endearment. Obviously, she's not stupid. That's why she's way more richer than all of us, obviously. Here it is. I feel like I'm petting a cat right now. Is that weird? Like, I feel like I'm literally petting a stray animal, but your best life. Don't take life too seriously. I love you. Bye.